I'm at the Loctite Second Chance house where the Habitat team is getting close to final finishes. To help out, I'm going to be trimming the front door, buttoning up the window, as well as installing the baseboard assembly using Loctite Power Grab Ultimate. The casing on the front door is going to be getting mitered, so I'm going to take my time and make sure I have a really nice fit before applying any adhesive. Then I'm going to apply the adhesive directly to the jamb and the wall. The Power Grab is great for this application because I can place the trim without worrying about it slipping or moving. Once I have everything dialed in, I'm going to tack the trim in place while the Power Grab sets up. Using adhesive here reduces the size and the number of the fasteners and saves me time later, minimizing filling and sanding of nail holes while ensuring nothing moves. The window unit is a little bit trickier because we have a replacement window that's installed inside of an original frame. In order to bridge from the unit to the wall, we're going to have to fabricate an extension jamb and then install it using shims and a few dabs of adhesive before nailing it into the frame. The Habitat team was able to salvage the existing window casing, so I'm going to cut the old casing to fit the new opening one piece at a time. As with the door, I'm going to apply a healthy bead of adhesive on the jamb and on the wall to fill any voids or inconsistencies. This baseboard application is another great use for the Power Grab Ultimate. For the long runs, I'm going to space out circular beads about 10 to 16 inches apart. The wall might not be flat, so spacing the adhesive at this distance is going to make sure that it's a nice sound install. The circular beads also create a vacuum that's going to help hold the trim tight to the wall while we're installing it. For the base cap, I prefer to coat my inside corners. This helps achieve a cleaner joint more efficiently, especially when an older room is not perfectly square. Once cut, I'm going to back caulk that connection and rely on the squeeze out to guarantee a solid joint that won't require much prep work prior to finishing.